Attention Systeme IO members, receive a free marketing video like this for your best business offers, plus learn how to explode your downline by watching this video. Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here, and I have a question for you. Can I build a free marketing system for your Systeme IO business? If the answer is yes, keep watching. So once you finish watching this video, scroll down into the description of this video, click on this link, request your free marketing system for your Systeme IO business, whether you are a member or not. Now, when I produce a free marketing video for you, I'm going to be placing your lead capture page here. Now, whether you belong to Systeme IO already or not, I will build a free marketing system for you that do free advertising for your Systeme IO business. Now, here's what you receive with your free Systeme IO marketing system. A free marketing video, just like this one, but specially coded to you to use to help build your Systeme IO business. Free Facebook group, and an AI-powered Facebook page, especially coded to you for your Systeme IO business. So let's take a look at the group and the page and check it out and see what it looks like. Of course, your business logo is going to be right here, and if it happens to be just the Systeme IO business, that logo is going to be right here. If it's one of your other money-making opportunities, your logo will go right here, and your name here, the name of your business here. Now, this Facebook group is designed for a lead magnet. In other words, prospects are going to find your group and they're going to post their business offers below. And what we're going to do is, of course, ask if they want a free marketing system for their business offers. And if they do, they're going to click here to request it. Now, as you can see, we have it keyworded so that if one of the prospects does a search on Facebook and they do a search for work at home, work from home, etc., they're going to be able to find your Facebook group and post their business offers in your group. Now, this is what your Facebook page will look like. And of course, your logo goes here, your name here, and your business name here. This is an AI-generated chatbot that your visitors, your prospects, when they land on your page, they will go here, message me, they will click here and start interacting with the AI chatbot. You don't have to be here. I don't have to be here on this page. The chatbot will automatically start asking questions and answering questions and interacting with them to ask them if they want a free marketing system. Pretty slick, isn't it? All automatic. And of course, your Facebook page link, or group link here, and your Facebook page link right here in your video. Lead capture page, follow up with emails with your affiliate links embedded in your emails. An example would be right here. So in this example, I have the Systeme IO banner here. If you happen to have a other business you're promoting or marketing, of course, your business banner would be right in here. And in this case here, the Systeme IO referral link will be in here. And the free marketing funnel link will be right in here. Of course, you're going to have live access to the training room where you can receive help for promoting your free Systeme IO marketing system and meet your downline in a PM area, private message area, in the training room. You're going to receive pre-made blog articles allowing you to program your Systeme IO referral link in each blog article. In your back office, you'll get access to several free to join and earn affiliate programs. These happen to be our affiliate programs. Marty and I have created them and we manage them. And to allow you to create multiple streams of income found here. So let's check it out. On your back office, you're going to be able to find this blog article. What you're going to do is you're going to come over here, you're going to click and join, and then you're going to replace the referral link of this blog article with your referral link. Now, many of these blog articles are 2 levels deep, some are 4 levels deep, some are 3 levels deep, some are 15 levels deep. But all of them offer multiple streams of income, and better yet, once you get that blog article programmed with your referral links, you're going to give me your blog article link, and I'm going to place it in your marketing video like this right here. You're going to have access to training videos on how to explode your system downline by offering free marketing systems to other businesses, including those other 300,000 Systeme IO members. Systeme IO has thousands of members. Each one of these Systeme IO members needs what you have. A free marketing system like this one right here, like the one for Stephanie B. Now imagine if you could only get 1% of, let's say, 300,000 members to request a free Systeme IO marketing system. That would be 1% times 300, that would be 3,000 members placed in your Systeme IO downline, where you could receive passive commissions from all the affiliate programs in your blog article found here. You've seen this before? So when your prospect, when your brand new members join underneath you, this is what's going to happen. For them to get a marketing video like this one, they're going to have to give me their link, their blog article link, of which I'm going to be placing in their marketing video. But they have to join underneath you, and when they upgrade, of course, you're going to get those passive commissions in those affiliate marketing programs at 2, maybe 3, 4, 10 levels, 15 levels deep, right here. Now, for those who do not belong to Systeme IO, use this free marketing system as an incentive to have prospects join under you, letting them know you will get them started with a free marketing system for their Systeme IO business like you have. In fact, I'm going to be doing the selling for you. In fact, right now, I'm doing the selling for you. All you're going to do is take your video, your marketing video that I'm going to build for you, and share it with all your business associates out there. And they're going to be able to click on your referral links in your video and join underneath you. Now, you will then receive passive commissions 2 levels deep from your Systeme IO downline. Yeah, Systeme IO has 50% commissions on the first level and 10% commissions on the second level. But it doesn't stop there. Below, you're going to find a few business offers that are perfect for building your Systeme IO downline. Of course, everybody's heard of Great Life. So somebody from Great Life watches this video and they say, sure, I want a free marketing system for my Great Life. This is what it's going to look like. I guess it's not Great Life, it's a Live Good. I'm sorry. And I'll build out a Live Good free marketing system for them with a video, marketing video. So let's check out We Share Abundance. There you go. I will build a We Share Abundance free marketing system for their business. Got Backup is coming on strong out there. So there you go. I'm going to build a Got Backup free marketing system for their business. So finally, here's Great Life. And here's an example of the Great Life free marketing system I built for Dallas B. Any AI affiliate marketing program, an example would be Crank Out AI. That's the free marketing system I built for Andre. So I think you get the idea. Free marketing systems for any MLM, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, any affiliate marketing programs. I'll build one for them. And when you recruit them, bring them into your free marketing system. They go into your downline so you can receive passive commissions. So is your business listed above? No? Hey, we're going to be happy to include your business offer in the list above. Now, once you get into the live training room, you can request a free advertising for your free Systeme IO marketing system. When I build a free marketing system for you, I will program your Systeme IO referral links into a lead capture page that looks like this. Of course, you've seen this already. Your Systeme IO referral link goes here, and your free marketing system funnel link goes into this banner right here. Now, you can use this lead capture page any place. It works on Facebook, works on any of the social networking sites, social emails, anything, any place you want to place that your lead capture page referral link. It works great. It's nice and clean and neat, and here's the call to action button right here, and the call to action button right here. No distractions, ready to go. No one offers a free marketing system for any money-making opportunity like we offer. So you know what to do. If you haven't joined Systeme IO, not a problem. If you belong to Systeme IO already, not a problem. Whatever money-making opportunity you have to be working, not a problem. I will build a free marketing system for just about any money-making opportunity out there. And I will do some free marketing inside the live training room. That said, Harvey the Silver Fox here. I'll be waiting for you inside the live training room, ready to help build your business.